In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Shindo Life on mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to find and play Shindo Life on any mobile device. This process is going to be the same for Android and iOS, and all that you have to do is open the latest version of Roblox on any mobile device and look for the experience, Shindo Life. Once you look for Shindo Life, it should be the first result to pop up. So tap on Shindo Life, you will be able to see that it is the official one because it has more than 2 billion visits, and all that you have to do now is tap play. You will load in immediately. Once you are inside of the experience, everything will be adjusted and you will be able to browse through the menus. So you can choose between play, game modes if you would like to see additional game modes, and the option to edit your character. If this is your first time joining the experience, you will be able to go through the character creation window. So you will be able to customize your character, customize the outfit, and once everything is ready, you can go ahead and choose play. You will load in and you will learn how to use the actions, the abilities, and so on. You can choose from various different locations to spawn on the map, and once you spawn into any of these locations, you will be free to walk around the open world. So you will be able to look for quests from different NPCs, learn new abilities, train, and improve your skills. So it is a very well-made, polished experience, and you will be able to play it on any mobile device. If you make any progress here and you play on a PC or a console, all of your progress will be transferred over. You will be able to change everything around the menu, and as you can see, there are a lot of actions for you to execute. You will be able to attack, run, you can do down slams, and there is a lot to learn. I'm not going to go into too much detail about how the game functions and your main objectives. I recommend that you do this process on your own and you explore on your own time, but you will be able to learn how to play, get instructions, train, and like I said, improve your skills. It's a very well-made experience with a lot to do. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Shindo Life on mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching!